Yes, today you can take 124, page number 124. It is a listening and speaking. First we have a listening and speaking. In this, giving and following instruction. You all know what is meant by instruction, isn't it? Instruction is nothing but giving something. That is, when you're giving instruction like this you need to do, like this you should not do, do's and do not. Those things, when you explain, it comes under the instruction, isn't it? So here, giving instruction. First, giving instruction. When you instruct someone to do something step by step, you would use the following structure. For example, if you are giving instruction to someone, what you will say, first you must do this, then you must do this, then next you must do this, and lastly you will say, isn't it? By the point only you will explain the instruction. That is the giving instruction. So whenever you give an instruction, you must analyze it. For example, if I am giving instruction to you, I will say, first you must follow this, I will say, and then you must do like this, I will say, and then afterwards what next you all must do like this. Last you, for example, we are going for the picnic. For example, we are going for the picnic. While we are going, I must give some instruction to you, like step by step. What are the things? Example, I will say, first you all must bring the tablet and health. What are the health issues you have? You must bring all those things. Like that I will inform you first. And then second, I will explain like this. Then you all must bring your needs. For example, what are the needs you must bring, like that. Next, you all must give your phone number, your parents' phone number. And then last, you must bring all your things. So like this, I will give the instruction. Okay, this is the giving instruction. Okay, and then starting out. For example, if you are giving instruction, you will start something like procedure. When your emphasis is on how to begin a process or a procedure, you can use the following structure. For example, how you will start. When you give a instruction, you will have some process. That procedure, how you will start. Example, the first thing you do this. Before you begin, you should. The best place to begin is. I would start by. For example, see students, this listening and speaking, giving instructions, starting out, continue, finishing. Under this, they will give the keywords. அதாவது என்னடா இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் யூ தென் யூ நெக்ஸ்ட் யூ லாஸ்ட் யூன்லாம் கொடுக்குறாங்க அப்படின்னா இட் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் அ கீவேர்ட்ஸ். அதாவது ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் வி வில் டேக் ஒன், அதாவது இன்ட்ரடியூசிங் யோர் செல்ஃப் அப்படின்னு நம்ம பார்த்துருப்போம். லாஸ்ட்டாக புக்கு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா இன்ட்ரடியூசிங் யோர் செல்ஃப்னு பார்த்துருப்போம். அந்த இன்ட்ரடியூசிங் யோர் செல்ஃபில் வந்து கீவேர்ட்ஸ் கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. என்ன கீவேர்ட்ஸ் அப்படின்னா ஹவ் யூ நீட் டு ஸ்டார்ட், அதாவது ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை வந்து எப்படிலாம் நீ ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்றத சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. இப்போ இன்ட்ரடியூஸ் யோர் செல்ஃப் அப்படின்னா ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நம்ம எப்படி சொல்லலாம், ஐ எம் சோஃபியா அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். அப்படின்னா மை நேம் இஸ் சோஃபியா, ஐ எம் ஸோ கிளாட் டு மீட் யூ, ஐ எம் சோஃபியா. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி என்ன பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னா டிஃப்ரெண்ட் வேஸில் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா நம்மளோட இன்ட்ரடியூசிங் யுவர் செல்ஃப், அதாவது நம்மளோட இன்ட்ரடக்ஷனை வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுவோம். அதுதான் கீவேர்ட்ஸ். புரிஞ்சுதா எல்லாருக்கும்? ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் கால்டு கீவேர்ட்ஸ். அதே மாதிரி கீவேர்ட்ஸ் தான் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா இந்த கிவிங் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷன்லேயும் ஸ்டார்டிங் அவுட் எல்லாத்துலேயுமே நம்ம ஃபுல் புக்காக பார்த்திங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி 3 டாட் போட்டு எக்ஸெட்ரா அப்படின்ற கொடுக்கறது எல்லாமே அப்படி என்னென்னா கீவேர்ட்ஸ். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் கிவிங் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ஷனில் நீங்கள் இந்த மாதிரிலாம் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். அதே மாதிரி ஸ்டார்டிங் அவுட், வென் யூ ஹவ் ஸ்டார்டிங் அவுட் டு give the procedure, you will give this. அதாவது ஒரு ப்ரொசீஜரை நம்ம வந்து ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது எப்படி சொல்லுவோம், the first thing you do this, before you begin you must do. For example, ஒரு procedure for when you are writing the exam, your teacher will inform you. The first thing you need to do is you must write your register number perfectly. Before you begin, you must see the question paper. The best place to begin is front page. So these are the keywords. Understood all of you? So this is like this only starting and then continuing. While giving the procedure or while giving the instruction, you will continue. What are the words? After that, the next step, the next thing. Once you have done that, when you finish that, then. So for example, you are writing the front page or in your exam, in the sense answer script. What they will ask you? After reading question paper, after that you must write your details perfectly. The next step is you need to read your question paper. The next thing you do is you must see whether all the question is belong to your paper. Once you have done that, then you can start your exam. When you finish that, then you must see the whether you have attended all the questions. So like this you can continue in the procedure, that giving instruction. And then finishing. While finishing, what are the example your teacher may explain you like this. The last step is you must write your page number. The last thing you do is you must see whether you have attended all the question. So in the end, when you have finished, when you have completed all the steps, you must see whether you have written all the question number. So like this they will give the instruction. That is when while finishing the instruction, isn't it? So these are the giving and following instruction. This is the A1, listening and speaking. So these are all the listening. While giving instruction, you must listen all those things first, then next giving, and then following. While giving also you must follow this. While following the instruction, while hearing the instruction also you must follow these things. I think you all have understood giving instructions, starting out, continuing and finishing process, isn't it students? At page number 125, asking for and giving direction. For example, we saw the instruction, what are the things we need to give and follow. For example, asking for and giving directions. Always when we ask or when we give a direction, what are the things we will use to say? Turn left, turn right, or go straight. So go straight ahead we can use, and then go past, cross, at the corner of, next to, opposite, between. So these are all the important terms while giving direction we used while we are communicating to give the directions. And then sometimes what we will do, using imperatives in giving directions. For example, here they have given the words. What are the words? Go to, turn right, go straight on, walk along, go down, go up, go along, go through, go round, go over. So here is a sample of English sentences used when giving direction to a place. Isn't it? See here at the down you can see. First one, Salma and Radhika is communicating here. Please tell me how to get to your house. Are you coming by bus or by train? I am coming by train. Could you tell me the easiest way of getting to your house? Board the Tiruvallur fast at Central Station. It will reach Perambur station in 10 minutes. Get off at Perambur station. Outside the station, you will find a shared auto stand. These autos play in two directions. One towards Vyazapadi and the other towards Madhavaram. Both the one going to Madhavaram and ask for Lakshmi Talkies. The auto driver will charge you 20 rupees for this stretch. From Lakshmi's topic, how do I get to your place? When you alight from the share auto, you will see Lakshmi Talkies, an old movie theatre. Okay. Adjoining Lakshmi Talkies is Thirumangalur Murugan Kovil Street. Enter this street and turn into the 5th street on your right. It is called Nandan Street. Is that where your house is? Not exactly. Could you send me the location on Google Maps, please? I don't know the area. Sure, but don't panic. It is easy to locate. After you enter Nandan Street, you will find a Cheerios Bakery on the right. My house is right above Cheerios Bakery. Sounds delicious. Thank you. By the way, the landmarks are interesting. I am sure I can find the place. So here you can see what are the words, that is a go to, turn right, go straight, get down. So these are all the key words where they used while giving the direction. I think you all have listened 124 and then 125 and then 126. Here we have an exercise. You can do the exercise by your own and then afterwards I will explain those things. Understood, students? Okay, now you can take page number 128. As we saw before in listening and speaking, A, we have finished giving and following instruction, B, asking for and giving instruction, and here in 128 at the down we have C, continuing discussion with connecting ideas, isn't it? Continuing discussion with connecting ideas. Connectives are used in and between sentences. So wherever when we speak, when we need to continue the sentence, we need to use some connectives. While giving a connectives only, we can connect the sentences in and between. They allow us to be more precise about the relationship between a statements in a sentence or between sentences. Particular phrases and words serve different functions in connecting ideas and arguments. Different clauses or words can single or signpost additional or similar information, opposition or contrast, concessions, cause or effect, emphasis, clarification or a relationship in time or sequence. See, for example, when you are discussing something or when you are giving ideas something, what you will do when you frame a sentence, you will have some connectives. Adadu or sentence ko inno sentence ko in sentence, what are the things we have? For example, first we have a syllable. We never think about the syllable, the process of sentence. For example, how the sentences are made from the word. First we have a syllable, you leave it, okay? From the word, meaningful word, we will join those words and we will make it into a phrase. After adding all the phrases, we make it into a clauses. With that clauses only we make a sentences. So here that sentences, when we join, see connectives, here they have given statement in a sentences or between sentences, particularly phrases and words, serve a different functions in connecting ideas and arguments. For example, when we have an argument or when we giving ideas, some phrases and some words will have a different functions. Same thing for a clauses also. Here they are saying similar information or opposition or contracts. இந்த மாதிரி அதாவது ஆப்போசிஷனாக இருக்கட்டும், கான்ட்ராஸ்டாக இருக்கும், இல்லை கன்செஷனாக இருக்கட்டும், இல்லை காஸ் ஆர் இஃபெக்ட், இந்த பற்றிலாம் பேசும்போது என்னென்னா டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக நார்மல் சென்டென்ஸை விட கொஞ்சம் டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டான கனெக்டிவ்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுக்கான வாய்ப்பு இருக்குது அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. சம் யூஸ்ஃபுல் எக்ஸாம்பிள்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஈச் ஆர் categorized by functions in the following sections. So see, here they have given some useful examples. Note that most of this term can also be used to start a new paragraph. However, some of them need to be incorporated into fuller sentences to be effective as paragraph openers. See, I have explained in Tamil, no? I will explain it in English for that word alone. See, while we frame a sentence, whether in arguments or whether giving ideas or whether giving when we are in discussion, each and every time the sentence may different. For example, the words may differ. For example, the phrase may differ. For example, as I told before you, for example, when you speak among your home, I need to go for a toilet, like that you will say. But when you go for the or hotels or some other place, no, what you will ask, may I know where the restroom is, may I know where the washroom is, like that you will change the sentence. That framing a sentence, it may vary. So same way, the difference where we have cause or effect, emphasis, or when you get a clarification or when you explain the relationship or a time sequence, the different in a phrase as well as a clause or as well as a words, they may occur. So here, see, they have given useful examples of each or categorized by function in the following session. Note that most of these terms can be used to start a new paragraph. Here they have given example. For example, if you see, notwithstanding, as a paragraph opener, you may have to add other word to provide more information, as in withstanding a lack of natural resources the region has. Addition to an idea, additionally, and also apart from this, as well as in addition, moreover, furthermore, to condition, to provide a condition, if in that case provide that, unless. See, as we saw keywords in A, giving instruction and so many things, we have a keyword. Now same way, when you start anything, that is when you start your speech, for example paragraph, you must state notwithstanding a lack of natural resources, you must start like this. As well as when you give some information, you must, for example ideas, when you give some ideas, you will say that to an idea additionally, they may, when you discuss among them, they each and every person, they will give some ideas, but when you start, no, you must give like this, as you all discuss, additionally I am giving this to an idea. And also apart from this, as well as, like, these are the keywords, and for comparison you can use this to show how things are similar, correspondingly, equally, for the same reason, and for contrast, to show how things are different alternatively, for emphasis, to put forward, to illustration, to provide example. So these are all the important things. When you hear some, these are the, for example, you can see page number 129, second paragraph. For example, here from this alone they are giving for illustration. Till for illustration explanation, these are all giving for when you give some discussion, or when you give some ideas, these are all the keywords. And how you connecting the sentences at the last. A common way to link sentence is with the basic words. So when you link a sentence, when you link a connecting sentences, these are the words: and, but, so, and because. I think you all already read what are these. Academic language, page number 130. Academic language offers alternative words and phrases to ensure your sentences follow well. So these are the sentences, and how they are using and, but, and so, because, and connecting ideas. A strong essay links ideas in a way reader can follow the progression of an argument. So here they have, see, to repeat, simplify, to show similarities, to give example, to contrast, to show emphasis, cause and effect, addition, contrast, summary, comparison. See, we saw connecting discussion and connecting ideas. அதாவது எப்படி வந்து கனெக்டிங் டிஸ்கஷன்லையும் வித் கனெக்டிங் ஐடியாஸ், நம்ம ஒரு ஐடியாவையும் ஒரு டிசிஷன் நம்ம டிஸ்கஷனில் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கும் போது சொல்லணும்னா, தீஸ் ஆர் த வேர்ட்ஸ் யூ மஸ்ட், keywords you must say. For example, we don't know. For example, யாராச்சும் ஒரு ஐடியா வந்து நீங்கள் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சி என்ன சொல், எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் மீ, கேன் யூ ஹியர் மீ அப்படின்னு தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ண முடியும். பட் வென் யூ லிசன், வென் யூ ரீட் ஆல் திஸ் கீவேர்ட்ஸ், அதாவது ஒரு விஷயம் கம்பேர் பண்ணி சொல்லும் போது எப்படி சொல்லணும், ஒரு கான்ட்ராஸ்ட் பண்ணும்போது எப்படி சொல்லணும், அல்லது வந்து ஒரு வேர்டை வந்து கனெக்டிவிட்டி பண்ணும்போது எப்படிலாம் நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணணும், அண்டு யூஸ் பண்ணுமா, பட் யூஸ் பண்ணுமா, அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாமே தான் வந்து இங்கே கீவேர்ட்ஸ் வந்து உங்களுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க.